Hey folks, Wayne over here at the Ram, and hey, I wanted to show you something. People have been asking me for quite some time about a disc brake kit for the early Dana 60, the early 8 lug, late 50s and 60s, like under a D200 and a D300. Yeah, so nobody's really ever done anything with that early style axle. And of course it's got different dimensions and so forth. So of course this is a teeny scaled down version of the modern Dana 70 setup. As you can see, this is a great big old 12-inch rotor, inch and a quarter wide. Right here's our standard pin caliper. What's unique about this, my friends, is this is a factory wheel, right? Look at that bad boy. That's a factory wheel. So you've got clearance, you've got a great big modern day rear caliper setup, and you'll notice that this setup has the standard calipers, not with the emergency brake, because the emergency brake on these earlier trucks is typically behind the transmission. So there we go, my friends. Beautiful disc brake system for your early Dana 60, late 50s and 60s. There it is. Easy bolt up. Got a set of brackets. Shoot, this is something that you know, if you've got your 2.5-inch spindle nuts and can yank those hubs off real quick, I can see that anybody with common knowledge, been turning bolts for a little while, can do this in 2 hours, an hour aside. It's really not that difficult. This is a dream, and talk about a game changer. Standard off-the-shelf rotors, off-the-shelf calipers, and off-the-shelf pads. Yes, easy as can be. Alrighty, God bless you, God bless America, and happy Moparing. Bye.